Righty ho, everybody. Mr. Wonderful here. Okay, Shirley, I done your husband's ring yesterday, Gary, and this is for you. 1967 Halfpenny. Right. Yeah, his ring came out okay. So, what am I going to use? Yeah, that'll do. I used a half-inch punch. I use surface. I tried it a couple of times, but I fell off all the time. But of course you do when you start. But it's no big waves in Lou. So I used to like to do jet ski and stuff like that. That was good fun. My mate used to run a jet ski place in Lou. Being a local, you could just take him out for free, which was nice. Plus, if there's somebody on them, you know, other people see you on it, and so really it's like free advertising for him. Right. Are you both Cornish, or did you move there like I did? Right, that's good. So we'll go over to our good old famous doming block. The same again. This will be sunny side up on the ring. 1 penny in the date. So we go over to Big Red and give it a bit of love. And we'll give it a bit of fire. Fire! The good old Bernie. That's good. And they're nice and soft, these coins. They're so easy to work. Right, now in found. So you do folding die. Like that one's pretty damn good. No, it's not. It needs a touch in there. Just a touch. Okay, let's go over to Big Red. Now we can get it into this one. Clever stuff, isn't it? There you go. Right. The edge is a bit sad. That's better. Right. The kitchen roll. Back over to Spike, the ring stretcher. Get a bit of a turn each time. You shouldn't go too far wrong. There you go, the bow's out of it. So now we want to go down to the bottom end of spike. There's not much of a change this for the smaller one. What size we got? She's a size 10. There's a little bit of a lip. Let's get that out first. I'll get that lip out. That after the dots, that lip, get that out. You got any comments or requests? Any sort of coin you'd like me to make? You can even send me your own coins. Some people do that. I make their ring and send it back to them. All right. I've still got a bit of a cone shape to it. No, nothing there. Yeah, great bit of filming again. That ain't looking too bad at the moment. Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. So now we want to reduce this to a size 10. I will use this. You can use these as well. This is the 17-degree die that I used to focus, please. I'll have to use my eye. Bloody thing, what's wrong with it? There's a size 10.25. The walls are pretty straight. They could do with a touch more on this side. Not much. Hardly pulled it at all. Bit more. Perhaps I didn't put it at all. I don't know. Still looking straight. Just under. So I'll put it on spike like that. And I'll give it a little tug. This is just touching the edge. Hardly anything. There you go. Size 10. Clever stuff, isn't it? Right, let's clean it up. Let's chuck in Felton John. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, let us know. I'll make it for you, film the whole process like this, and it goes on YouTube. So you get the video as well. Right, what we got? Let's give it a go. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few bits and pieces in there. Stuff, you know, there's stuff going in all the time. Or you can contact me by email at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Yeah, this is quite nice as well. So there's a good thing about these pennies and old pennies, they really come up nice. And I clear coat them so they sort of stay shiny. Shiny, happy people. I did actually like that track. It was a good song. Right. Right, there you go, sweetheart. That's yours. That's hubby's. Where's the date, for God's sake? There it is. 2 1967 coins, 1 penny and a halfpenny. Hope you both like them. I enjoyed making them. I'll get them in the post to you tomorrow. If you have any problems, you can always post them back to me and I can adjust them for you. Or most jewelers will probably do it for you for nothing. It's just you know, a couple of pumps on spike. But yeah, you can always send them back to me and I can adjust them for you. But they are size 13 and 10. And they both fit this finger perfectly. So thanks for your order. Thanks for your support. And yeah, have a great day. Get your friends to buy them. Come on, send me a pasty now and again. I do miss Cornish pasties. They were nice. Right, have a great day. And thank you all for your support. If you're not subscribed, how about it? Little red button, bottom right corner. There's no obligation. And it's free. So, bye-bye for now. And with God willing, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.